mwasi wa mtaye muri agenda time. Hope you guys are fine. Muri gen munywan muri akashana nuko. You guys, we hope you guys are taking water and all. So I'll be doing this program Omwerato na Beazine ZJ, but for today I'm going to have a one-on-one with him. Tuanze tumanye na argahi na akorachi. Mutanu mureba hatumukumanya mazina gege nyine mama mweta Serebu Ambara. You don't know his real names. You don't know is he married? Ainabana na Ankole. So today I'm going to get his bio. Mweyonjele kumanya Serebu Ambara. So
wow.
Wasi what?
Nasi baji nundeba ndamashemerwa mingi. Kandi ecyanshemeza munonga abakutureba ari NKORE MEDIA TV is being hosted by Owankore ari NKORE MEDIA. Nechamani. Nabaramusi.
Wasibaje ko.
Azati nyine shonga.
Okay, so Beazine ZJ. What are your real names?
Wow. My real name's Godwin. I was baptized Godwin Biekwas. Yeah. Nichecho.
Hashi Beazine ZJ Serebu Ambara. Just kargankai. How did you come up with it?
Wow. First of all, is in Beazine. I got that name at 4 years.
4 years, Nyakena?
Yeah, Nyakena. After being baptized, my dad is a security officer.
Okay.
He's working with one of the security organs from Hungary. So he gave me that name. I don't know what it means, Beazine. So the Ankuza Shomanankai up today. So before going to this limelight, I was like, since I have the name that is unique, so I was like, let me stay with that name.
Okay. So Norgankai, where did you come from?
Beazine Nazarwa Mucharichi bakweta Ruerazi Lukon West Chito Town Council Ruhama Ntungamo district. Ndio mwana w'umuntu.
Who are your parents?
Oh, my dad is called Mujisha Benon Afande, and my mom is called Twinama Skodoro.
What's your family background?
Yeah. I come from a humble family. We are not rich. I don't want to lie. Okay. We are not rich, but we couldn't fail to get lunch, supper, school fees available in time, and I can't fail to get lunch and supper. If I'm sick, Nivanda Gurus. But in our family, and my mom's stomach, Nibondo, warm. My mom, we are 4, but from my dad, we are 8. Yeah, so from my mom, I'm the second. So Beazine was in my childhood. Beazine was someone who was humble, silent. No moment kumureba ari nkafara. But my head was very sharp. Yeah. Omubuto nkandi nkafara physically. Uchinda nkandi nkafara konko muto gwanje gukuteka speed. I was sharp. Like my grandmom could be at home aza kujeratari nakora onke chintaho ajanga this Karito kid akana nyetaka yai. My grandpa and my mom, they used to call me Kayai kandi Kayai wayombeke bichaho muhanda wachireba we are going to graze goats and cattle area and zones nyine yo bacari banje ninga ati nimbeta bacari konkaburi bakaba bari batayi banje ngati kunijere mwanshisho mutauni nimbeta bacari so nchibine yabo bacari banje barisize nyobaza kugira ati baranijere nebicori twembe tubyose wachenga. My mind was sharp but physically I was kandi ngafara
Wait for us how explain to us how your worst moments
kura nchiri muto ebintu byabe binyizya tuba turi nko mu holiday tari ishomero tutezayo no mayo mucharo ngumwimuke hati my dad could be like mwimuke muze kuombera mu rutoki kuza mu rutoki
kuombera kakori yo munafu
munafu ni you've just slept no man oturutoka shesha ubukuza kushesha no hururije so mwimuke muze kuombera mu rutoki ninga
okay.
Feel annoyed, but my best moments it had rained stagnant water. Mama ngaza munyoga nemyenda zaho mubya like noreho mubyarokwe ari yentoki aza ne bakabatere bitabaye ate njura yagwa nhaza mamizi omwete nazana n'impuro businde no mama it was fantastic. Those were my fantastic moments. Okay, and the best ones.
Okay. Yes. So if Dabo Kakomonkai, did you finish school?
I'm still a student.
You're still a student?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a student.
You're a student?
Yeah.
Where?
Let me keep it private. I'm still a student. Every day I learn.
Every day you learn something?
Yeah.
So who's your role model?
My role model from childhood. Obuna bende mutonkanya gomba my mom.
Your mom.
Akwa akatwara mu church. Inchireba nazo no my our moms. No kambe sure I see something I feel happy. I could feel happy. Ndi muto. By then chira muto ntaka rabu chira misho gataka rebere hari. So as I was growing ndio primary aho my role model was Douglas Gwanga. Douglas. Hati nija mani nkura ngo mani nyetegereza my role model yabakasidiye Gwanga the late Geno. He was my role model. I could like that man up to date.
Okay. The
statements he could make, his movements, even the Ankole becoming shameless.
I think you were Beazine, you're a media personality.
Yeah.
So who inspired you to be a media personnel like?
I myself.
Who inspired you to be what you are right now?
I inspired myself.
You inspired yourself?
I did. Though, like I told you before. No, listen. Like I told you before.
Yes.
Douglas Gwanga was my role model.
Okay.
Kuna yomureba aho no mba ndio mu high school ko shangangu during those leisure time instamaho noma okuyabakora akana by then akana kora the beat NTV. Ntireba kuyabakora show ye astami ninja noro kunstami niko nabe mureba. So
muri get the confidence from watching.
Oh my God, one day can I be like this guy watching? So mbandio ko tulio mu high school aho no maka vimbo ka high school ndio mushogo yao ustamao kore chintu the girls could be like
abana turabishi bakujira
awasta nyungande sta
atiyo barokija wajita hamuta
mbara najire Kampala kuna bendiyo nde no Ruganda ni runteganisi bitu nimfache no Ruganda hati nchizayo okuza Kampala ndeba Kampala yaba mpango to be hard for me to penetrate through according to my dreams nche chinyine chinkwenda kuba.
Okay.
So china kozere mbaro kuijayo chine no nijere ni teka ntikanzo. I was like, the idea came into my mind, go to Mbara new center ya Western Uganda kwa watambaro kazaguru nobwo kwa norugisinjo norugantunga mo the best district in the world nabajangu Mbarara ngo munyambara wagambaro nyankore ningo rucigo barufumbera nabajangu munyambara wachira. So I thought about going to Mbara so that I can capture attention of Western Uganda, of which Mbanyazi.
Who is your favorite artist?
My favorite.
Both female and male. Umusiona. Not just the West.
Not just
the whole
West.
World.
Umusiona, my best male artist was Moses Reddy. Moses Reddy, may his soul rest in peace. But in Western Uganda, it is Ray.
Reggie.
Yeah.
Na kubuze Siona.
Yeah.
So Reggie is your favorite artist in the whole world?
No, to me, what do I consider to be my best artist? Can I meet you? Can I talk to you?
Oh.
Nimbasa kubanye neduka yomwonyo guremo mwonyo. Reggie can do it. Na sakubadya umurimbara hati nyunka Chris Brown njamwiyahi nyunka bari riri wine na manya aryandeba Roy G is the best artist in the whole world.
Do you have any favorite places?
With female artist wa mumbu.
Female?
My favorite female artist, it was already Mariam, but right now it
Mariam who tindatine?
Yeah, tindatine nobuna kuzomwishaka. But right now she's Omega 256.
In the whole world.
In the whole world.
That's
Ondijo
nice.
no? Harondijo?
Haro.
Awena ajezaho.
Do you have any favorite places?
My favorite place, one time, my favorite place is Bunyonyi. Can't see me. Backpacker, how can't see me.
Oh.
Yeah, Bunyonyi. Because I've ever visited there.
Okay.
And another favorite place is in my bed.
Men will always be men, eh?
Yeah, in my bed.
What's your marital status? Are you married? Are you seeing anyone? Are you divorced? Entanglement.
No. So, my marital status, I'm single.
But you've ever dated?
I've ever. I don't want to lie.
You're single right
I've
now?
ever tried to date, but I didn't date. Confusion
yaba nyingi. Tukambi, are you dating?
No.
You're single, but have you ever dated?
I've ever.
You've ever?
Yeah.
Sure, that's what you're supposed to say.
I've ever.
Okay, what love experiment?
This show will be a fantastic one.
Love experience. Like your
love
what
experience.
Has been your best love experience or love moment or chora kozo uri mulavo kaja Beazine.
So
I am in love.
Never sumano kwa kunde. Ria camera hore. So, but my love experience, the best moment I think, I was in high school. No manya, I was in high school.
Shogoyo.
Hey, a whole mama love neri fantasy no ati tugenda mfuna kichi. No manya bya social dates. No.
Yeah. Single school?
Yeah, I passed through single schools and mixed schools. Okay. So those things to say mfuna kichi. At first time to go there I was still young, ataka bichenjereje. So like kukwata mwichinga bati ninga kakwata munga immediately chairman ati chairman is straight what so the girl exchanging those letters no manya by then ikabitaka jerewe byese munachi ntiduranti ndeba kareta kija yishomero turiyo baby obweshongoro by then ntishoma mo porobuteka ato muholude met each other tukushome chumuro tukushome debyo tibirimo tukushome chumuro ati turi mu chumuro omwe akichi bambika kakabonere amisa konkati ngumana hari. So numa kuzo muravu ukahurura ngo nobona kufa straight to heaven wache tegereza ati tuhati yoko ayishomero ko tukantushomera rukone Green Hill Primary School holidays by the one hona marire na primary 7
everything
almost everything ni district nunje tokurugayo nduje ndi kwija kuronda sente kuno so hati akishi kutwawe tujyaho tukani tushoma holiday nangukani nkachiza we kirasi ibiri aka kuza kujeranti nkanye ni mathematics book ndi kushare baro akaine cha history hati ticho wabe na tushomesa shanga turi hamwe atari muna discuss nje kasha ha koine wechitawo cha math kukaine koyi
bakabagutura
akichi was like I love this boy.
She told the teacher?
Yeah.
Oh.
Directly. I was like,
Fear women.
this is my... I can't fear them. Banshobezat, bargachichaji. I can't fear women. So, kagambere chitu nkahurira nti I fell in love seriously. Like I felt love. No more feeling it into a win. This one at this age, can it happen? What it is? So it was my best moment in love. The worst moment, you know, mperizo kuba ni dating recently na mshanga na band.
Mkwatira mchukua.
After high school, into the relationship.
So freelance.
I'm freelance. I don't date. I don't do those things.
Okay, anyway, if you're Nkachabo, Nkaja, you want to get married right now, what type of lady, what type of woman would you want to get married to?
The type of lady I would wish to marry, she must be educated, that is one. Secondly, she has to be having, she must be doing something. Either
a job.
She must be having a job, a career, or she's a business lady. No, I think him. No, I don't want to be celeb. Abeshongozi, don't contest. But media personalities, don't. Ba model, don't.
No, never midara, no, never.
Never cut. That is too raw. Okay. You have a profession, a good one. Nkaba nurse, secondary school teacher, ba lecturers ba university, you know, ba lawyer.
No, enda lawyer kwa pivori ya ushtebe no muzindaro kwao.
Muzindaro, it is my office. It is my office. Ba lawyer, ogundo murundi. Ati.
Wagambira haba lawyer. Who is your favorite politician?
My favorite.
Who is your favorite politician?
My favorite politician is Kahinda Utafiri. Kahinda Utafiri. O inenjere ya kora mechintu ninga kagambamo kajoti wow. Okay. I like that man. Just like MP wa Ruhinda. Woku Mitomo. Mitomo.
MP wa Mitomo. Mitomo.
Ruhinda constituency. Konkano muri Mitomo. Nyowe tinko bichenga je bushenye ngo wantungama.
Who is your best historian?
My best historian ukawarahurira omushijo babe ne beta Adolf Hitler.
Ogo mwana kunahitira munshi.
Oriyo babe ne batera salute zo mu kifuba.
Ogo waisira bantaka bamara.
Akabita.
No cool.
Bakamunyizi akaba chankaranye. But he's my favorite historian.
Okay, what's your favorite game? My
favorite game, Omweso no gumanya? No, that one. Aruho Omweso, it was introduced by Batrez. As I was growing, aruho mgeni bubaburi nkomwani.
Bakutambika nkombwina.
Ne aruho akanankeji karikati. Then obukujira bati. I can pray orukumango muri mbara nansinga ija karete. Because I learned that game from my grandpapa. He was called Patrick Gervais. He used to play it with my dad.
So that's your favorite game?
So as I was young, kandi abakuze obuntu nibubabukusha nomwana ndinje omurundi gwenkaja tata kandi kunumuzani so omwana kinogo kusatu kiya musente mwe kunumuguzani ajinya hobsuru eji game ne yabagezi from there and then. It is my favorite game.
Okay. What's your favorite song currently?
Right
now bakubuza mchesho wachokura.
Wali wonze rwembura noroza ntino mbera mukuchakara agawara yisiba mukuchakara mama wabana mbera. I like that song.
What's the title?
Kumo bwesigwa. Legendary Dr. Jose Chameleon.
Your title.
Yeah, I'm bad. I like that song before even redoing it. My first time to go on stage, it was a speech day. I was in middle class. My first song to perform on stage, it was Mama Wabani Yani Kamere Yani. That I like that song. Nichona performing at Katuru Green Hill Primary School. Edio nation media kweyunga negyo nkozire. I give it a respect. At performing bareta senta bazire bampa senta nyonka nimanya nte sente z'ebipapura n'ebicupuri hati immediately niruka sente z'ebicupuri naziherezwa dadi ez'ebikoyine namanti nizo original akuba nizo babebamba bakabampa 10 rokugure sweet rokugure borgam rokugure tea Maria. By then tukantugaza tea Maria before this pizza ebintu bitakijere.
I think you Beazine veje serebu witu wambara kaharga yanko muntu akaje yakora ukahura mwen zaju kahozgargaho. What do you do? Like what? Okay, not that even. What would someone do to piss you off? Ukahura nguwa zaju kamwenzo zarga.
Echinte chikunyiyaho waya no kugenda kangamba echintakora.
Right.
Kujango ngambe echinte chintakora, you rather call me onjere ngurambira ansi kutere chiboko 10.
Tokwenda bakubehera.
Tingo na muntu kumbera. Echintu nachikora se nkobuna beni nchinywa mu arikahora. Wanjangu yanyu kandi nanyu it is okay. Konkana ninywa nkaka Pepsi Cola nkaka. Okijuka njangu yananywa Jameson. Yananywa Amaru. Pisses me off. Niho kagendo kambere chinte chintakora. Ukaba nondeba ukanteka tekere chinte chinta kuteka teka.
Oh, you know confront people.
Yeah, I tell you. One is I tell you and I feel free. Nanta kugambire nchinyeza in the wrong run I will revenge.
Then echukushemeza nchichi.
Echukunshemeza naba ndi microphone. I'm in the front of the camera, I'm holding a microphone, people are watching me. Okay. I feel happy. Abantu bana bandeba.
You like being watched?
Yeah. Let them watch me.
How do you run your day? Get us to how you go about your day or something.
Well, I wake up. Most of the times, every day I sleep next day. Like yesterday I sleep today. Today I will sleep tomorrow. What do I mean? Wow. Yeah, you get me. No matching kumanyisa. Akuba every day ni mbyama almost nkashayi 11 kasheshe kusi 12. So nabyameze shaha.
No, kora chumbo kuza kubyameze 12.
Of course, for you know, but this one don't know about bakumanya. So yeah, as a media personality, I have to know what's running throughout my town. Kaserebu wambara, nimbanyi nekutambura, nyejaha anka hiti, nzahwa santeba, nzahwa omnyanya ndijo ndeba what's trending, what are these people doing? Baserebu bakorachi. Wanyetegereza. Ati bashomboha barekoha. So I get those stories. You get me? I also get business. Abakwenda marketing. Okaturuge. Okaturuge yo Dharlyne. I'm still taking you through my day. So kunkweza kore ebyo nabya amashayi 12 zakasheshe. Shaibiri nimbando already up. 2 hours are enough for me. I always rest for only 2 hours echango. Unless I have a gig. Omweno shangandi nkomu night nka made in bar because I'm always having made in bar every Monday. Nka Tuesday nyine kuzanki ibanda ubakabare. So nanyi ne kuzakabare no kushanga ngunargo made in bar shayi mweza kasheshe. I'll go home, shower, change clothes, I just travel. Konkana ntakuza college. Assume leaving other factors constant, the day is normal, everything is okay. Na komuka shayi 11 ningi shayi 10 ninkurestinga nasi muka shayi mwene chweka shayi 2. I open my phone kubirebe ebyo nimuka because I'm lazy naturally. I can't prepare tea. I can't even manage that to think mamwe no mukaza wundo shwera aruwe marira. So I'm lazy. I can't prepare tea. Omwene oshanganye ne munka ka wine ninga juice and a bread omugati go guturamo munju. So nimuka I get wine, power in a glass, get a bread, get a breakfast. Wamfuna. So naweza kufuna breakfast.
No, mugati.
Yeah, that's I'm lazy. I told them, yeah, I'm lazy. I can't cook. I can't prepare even a tea. Na black tea kuteka mizi. Nyaganya kuza kuhembe chibiriti ntagasi akaroka kahayore bigyawash.
What's your dream
car? So I'm still taking you. So ati naeza ebyo I move in the offices to the NKORE Media. I do some research, everything nshangao asumani omwe nachererwa kwigura office muterere simu ntimutera ija ayigura office ya NKORE Media nsitamaho. We do research to editing the videos, we create content and everything. Then evening hours ninza ukuza nkakashaya mastaho pepsikore kampo mpira, we go there nshare bishaju norango muchere munonga nyine kushare bishaju nshare bishaju naeza again tonight. That is my day. Aba ondijo yantera ari kunyenda nimba ndi ya office wana unyenda nonshanga office ya NKORE Media.
So when are kwenda NKORE Media office?
Yeah. You ask me my dream car?
I was asking about your dream car and the house. Which car would you want to have, or which house would you want to build?
I haven't dreamed the car because I'm unable to buy it right now. Why should I dream about something I can't manage? Let me first buy a bicycle, then I buy a car. I dream a car. Then for a house.
So currently you're not dreaming of anything?
I'm not dreaming those cars and houses. Let them come after getting. Then I dream.
Really?
Just sleeping, you dream. Things come.
Beazine,
Yo.
Have you ever won any competition in any field?
Yeah. Recently, last year, I won Climax Teens magazine. Fashion. It was Climax Teens magazine. It was hosted in Kasese. Online TV presenter of the year. Okay. I won that one. Secondly, on primary, I won junior debating competition. I was the best. Bakatwara na NT JJ ya bukedene Aban TV. Yama wenkashemerwa kuza TV. I was in P4 junior debating competition. I was the best. Selected, taken to Aban TV. Mama nkeraga. Nkaikomuka as my dad had a garage of pichi. I in a garage. Ni omucharo kuna benzayo ninye na benzayo n'ekidangari. Omuntu ayine ekidangari chapichi. Abandi nibavuga byegari. Obwishi bwana. On me.
What if a girl came to you and asked for love?
Right now, I'll be like, if you can wait for 2028. If she can't wait, I'll be like, then the car. Yeah. I'm still young.
You think you're worth how much?
I'm not rich, but since I came into this business, at least I think I'm worth like
yes,
like 10.
10 what?
10 ma.
10 million. Really?
Yeah.
Okay. 10 million.
And plus, tichirunji kwere kugambe bintu ebi.
Take drugs.
Drugs I used to do, but God is good. I no longer do. I don't booze. I don't take drugs. I don't do anything.
Okay.
Yeah. I thank God for that.
Amen. What is the meaning of the Speak Out campaign?
Speak Out campaign is something that I initiated a few years back. In fact, I used to have those dreads and whatever.
Yeah.
So by then I started it. I initiated that campaign to tell fellow teens, fellow youth, fellow media personalities about the dangers of HIV, AIDS. Because tukebwa nora naba politicians n'abahebye byo n'abakabirwa ihanga ryine byinje byo kureba MPs ni ba discussing abindi, so they forgot about that one. I myself, as someone who think about to make an influence, to make an impact, I was like, let me start this campaign. I create awareness about HIV, AIDS to my fellow teens. So ninyongera kubirusa the negative effects na nokugira ngo waremererwa kuba mubiri ni gubanja ino akuba nanye nicara kumba no kugira ngo ninke kwasa ruhanga ngumisiriza konka banda batakukigumisiriza at least put on. You get me? So I create a speak out whenever something hurts you. Hai necha kunyeza dare no kimgoka joti konge chankora kubi, you feel revealed. You know, so that is speaking out. Konka chagu mumutima nchiguma nchikuteganisa bara no chendera saizi urumuche tini wachenga. So speaking out nchona kozisiza kagambo speak out, but that is the campaign. Ebikusingaho bija birthday yanje mbishoborera press conference.
Do you know your status?
Yeah, I'm HIV negative. Which
You're negative?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is your favorite media personality?
My favorite media personality?
Personnel.
Of course, it is Douglas.
Of course.
We don't need to come and say it.
Of course.
Yeah.
Do you have a favorite movie?
My favorite movie was 24 Legacy.
24
Legacy.
It's a series.
Yeah, it's a series. Jack Bauer. Niyo muntu ari kunde ibintu biri mu bwonko. You know, na prison break.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
ubwonko. Use mind.
Are you a football fan?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your
I'm a
favorite
fan.
team?
My favorite team, of course, it is Chelsea, the Blues. Chelsea, Stamford Bridge. Ni nkumanyiwo ryo Manu.
How?
Ekatutera konka Liverpool kadisabura mushana.
Namang tukabahonda.
Yeah,
How are you a Chelsea fan?
So I'm just fan because it is men's team.
Okay.
It is men's
Mpira
team.
twagwesa kwanza
Twine Champions League Arsenal takatwara.
It's a men's team.
Yeah.
Chelsea.
Abakazi ni muhajira Manu na Arsenal.
Twarga. Oh, mbyemezana because gwanza kuyo. What's your religion?
My religion, I'm an Anglican and Protestant.
Anglican.
Baptized. Bakanta uno mukono bishop akijayanta umukono ni njakagati. Konkati nkuyiguta.
But actually, do you know any verse in the Bible?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do not take water only. You should often take some little wine for easy digestion of food. I know. Ekitabo nituza kuchekinga.
See, you don't know.
I know the verse.
You don't know the verse.
Konkano Timothy,
Timothy, do not drink wine and what? Wajangwenji.
Timothy, do not take water only. You should. First of all, I was raised in church. My mom is someone who is in the church person.
Okay.
So I know some verses. Konka ekitabo nebitabo nibyo bikunchankara norangu verse what. So you should not take water only. You should often take some little wine for easy digestion of food.
Okay.
If you're weak.
Mamhura,
okay.
Pastor Beazine.
Alhamdulillah, amen.
Okay, so giving one of my last questions.
Yeah.
Right? Given authority to change anything in Western Uganda entertainment, the industry, what would you change?
First of all, I don't need to be given authority. I've already started changing something.
You don't need to be given authority.
I don't need their authority. They shouldn't even give them some authority. I don't need it. I've already started something. Right about now,
yes.
We started this NKORE Media with my brother DM Swaga now of Savage Oguria Camera. So after starting that one as an online TV, right now you see the impact of online TVs. By then, tukatuimuka uzakora nka mweshongozi. Ajatebi nibizai. But right now, you can't hold a press conference at NKORE Media. Right now, we to reserobundo buchano na nabandi ba media personalities. Kansara Amoni, ninye muresere nyoke nyine. Nyowe serebu wambara ninye na muresere nkamuhereza interview nawe yije. Ba Mchiga TV baha bona nito tubarese. So I'm already we have already done something. So I don't need their authority.
Kasa Amon.
Media no artists listen. Artists ninye nawe nachimanya mutima.
Kasa Amon hono holi injira akatabeka.
Ninye teacher we. Hati no nyowe ndi teacher wa Kansara Amon. Kuna muresere yayega wakweweza senior 6 no sibura orugahugenda mushomesa guma.
So ni wamurese.
Ninyi. So he doesn't need me. Shanaya na ndo babuza gumandonde. I'm there. Tinyine buzubu nawe. So we have already made some influence. Konke chinde chabura mukache. No. Taru. Listen, Darren. Uniho wambuza given authority. What can I change in the entertainment industry? Nkwinduraho no kujangu kakora negativity to your fellow entertainer. Obodyo muntu olyo media, olyo mu showbiz. No limitinga chances za media yitu kukura. Entertainment industry yitu kukura. So I don't want that one. I no longer need it. Buli omwe ni mwetanga nyowe ninyetaga omwana ari kuteekateeka kuza omu studio, nyetaga Roigi, nyetaga Omega, nyetaga T-Paul, nyetaga Dharlyne, nyetaga Asuma, nyetaga buri omwe wena. As long as you're in the media industry, I need you and you need me. Obo kikirizo obo kyanga mujja kutya.
That's what they say, right?
Yeah. Twazaribwa kubarumya mitwe.
Beazine, are you a virgin? Boss.
Wambuza
are you? Reji muniji akajira. Mbu, if you're a virgin and you know it's cremoye.
Since last month, I'm virgin. I'm virgin since last month. Yeah.
From the last month?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
1 month virgin. That's it.
What are your future dreams?
My future dreams is to be someone is the influential. Kandi chindi ninyesha kuzo parliament ya Uganda.
Amina.
Just know that one.
I'll
be in a parliament of Uganda.
Yes.
I'll be there as representing
we'll
any constituency. Na mgenu mbararedi.
Chikono kwata jabantu bambara.
Nanabandi.
Abakwatisha gaza.
Nanuko mukabanye okuwanyo wabasumani ninkwesimba.
Beazine ZJ. Give us your last word.
Wow, thanks for hosting me tonight. Dharlyne Owankore, NKORE MEDIA, and it has been the best moment, I think. It was amazing show. Thanks for joining NKORE MEDIA. And
thanks for having me.
We welcome you. Kandi my last words to our viewers. I'm Beazine ZJ, Serebu Wambara. I'm single. I'm still young. Don't disturb me. And
say no to bad touches.
Speak out. Teens, namnunga teens. Mnyeto, abagyo media. Banange ntuza kufa. Put on. Waremererwa put on. Then chindi when my birthday month, birthday week. On the 2nd June.
When's your birthday?
It is my 2nd June this Friday.
On Friday.
It is my birthday. I will
happy
come
birthday
each.
in advance.
Oh, I'm happy gifted.
These aka emmuno zakareba rakatani chironiyo.
Hey, fantastic. Yecho chao ni ngumani incheki nyo. Kande chini echotambu ebintu mubikunyiza kundaganisa sente zikabo.
No, I'm going to say your birthday.
Omutemwa. Omutemwa. Rukumi. Anyway, we bari mnonga contest Dharlyne, and as I'm finalizing, I want to tell these people who are watching us, we shall be doing Omwerato show. Omwerato bakaba testingiro. So right now, whatever, if I've brought down, it means the best show ever in this world.
Fire, fuego.
Omweshongozi nikiza kuyamba, producer nikiza kuyamba, orukutureba nikiza kuyamba. Blogger, this will be your show. Just get ready, also watch load your data, mza Wi-Fi, bakama abine companies, come and advertise with us. So right now it is the right time. Manager Davidson, it is the right time. I think you bring Pepsi Cola, Mirinda, Kwafina, we market. Thanks Dharlyne for hosting me.
You're welcome.
Mukama nakora.
Ni mukama nakunda by the way. Turamka nakunda.
No.
I was kusha.
Kunkashi ankunda nabura sente.
Sente kamura mremete. We na
God and I praise God. Yeah. That's my slogan is mukama nakora.
If there is any young audience watching you right now,
young audience, any young audience out there, just know, in Sechirinto, we still have right time to enjoy.
Don't pop.
We still have right time to enjoy. Ako hati nyumkumumba nyumu high school bakabanze birakwata simu, banze bira kunywe byo kunywa, banze birakwata bichi kubaramusi. Hati they come, I chase them. I don't want them to disturb me.
Beazine ZJ. Thank you for coming, and thank you guys for watching. This is Omwerato, and I'll be hosting it with Beazine ZJ. Tubakunda mnonga. Thank you for watching. See you next Thursday. Shamnan.